All of us are shaped by our childhood experiences, and my most powerful childhood experiences were being outside and discovering and exploring and learning. We lived on my grandmother's farm on the Eastern Shore of Maryland. To keep us busy, she would pull out paper and tell us to draw animals for every letter of the alphabet. And that kept us going with crayons on that old dining room table. The painting that Amica has on their Thanksgiving card this year, it represents a change that I feel in me. That painting is called A Fall Reflection, and it's very simple. It's in October in New England, right about the time when the leaves are still on the tree, but they've also fallen in the water. There's only a few days when that happens. They've just made that drift through that short distance from the top of the tree to that water surface, and they've just touched, so they're casting a little shadow. Soon, they're going to open and they're going to be flat, and then they might decay and fall through. That painting represents transition. It could represent that moment when you are present and you look that you know something else is coming, but you're still hanging on a little bit to what has happened. But I feel that being in nature and representing it recalls our attachment and our dependence, really, to nature, and actually our obligation to preserve it. If we don't understand it or experience it, how can we know that it's there or feel that it's a part of us? You know, nature is our beginning and our end, but it also could be our present. When I think of Thanksgiving, of course, I guess we all do think of family. But to me, it recalls my grandmother's house, where we would all gather. The idea of having an artist every year is really quite unique and very personal. So that says something to me about Amica. Thanksgiving began here in New England, and Amica is here in New England. So I actually think that that's a beautiful connection to the company, and the fact that you are involved local artists to represent that in its contemporary delivery is really, I think, really unique for a company. I hope that my paintings convey that feeling of protectedness and safety and security that we all want and that we all need, whether it comes from a family gathering that you might have around Thanksgiving or at any time.